The next logical step, or at least the next point where the teachers will try and catch the children out, is where they ask them to find 2/5 of, or shade, more to the point, 2/5 of a shape that's been split up into smaller shapes. Well, the children are used to finding fractions of a quantity. All they need to realise is each of these boxes adds up to a quantity. In this case, you've got 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So really, we're asking them to shade or find 2/5 of 10. In comes the Frycle, exactly the same steps. Step 1, divide by your denominator. 10 divided by 5 will give you 2. Step 2, multiply by your numerator. 2 times 2 will give you 4. And if they had to shade, well, you would shade any 4 boxes. And it's useful for them to use that working out even when they've got a shape like this to double check. Likewise, 3/4 of, well, what is the quantity they're looking at? They've got to count the box. There's 4, 8, 12, 16. They're being asked to shade or find 3/4 of 16 boxes. 16, step 1, divided by 4 will give you 4. 4 multiplied by 3 will give you 12. So in this case, they'd need to shade any 12 boxes. And that is how you would apply the Frycle to something a little more obscure, like a shape where they're asked to shade a certain amount of boxes. Step 1, divide by the denominator. Step 2, multiply by the numerator. Bang, you've got your answer. The skills are exactly the same.